You are highly welcome to Talk Health and More with Goodness and Kiru. Kindly drop a comment below, like and share. If this is your first time, hit the subscribe button. Hi guys, join me as I unbox my first ever gym equipment. Stay tuned.
Unboxing.
My gym equipment.
Let me see. Don't spoil it though.
Okay. I will not check the pieces.
Mommy, this is it.
Yeah, this is the room.
This is it.
No, it's my own. Start and stop. Start.
This one didn't like this.
No, it's
Where is my own?
okay.
Yeah, just fix it. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You probably stated that. Another 15. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the moment you call, by then, merci beaucoup. Shall I not deny,
Ifeoma didn't go to the gym to get fit. She went to stay alive. This is a true life story of a 43-year-old mother of 3 from Lagos, Nigeria, Ifeoma. In 2018, Ifeoma E, a 42-year-old mother of 3 from Lagos, Nigeria, collapsed while climbing just 2 flights of stairs to her office. She had no warning, no chest pain, no headache, just sudden weakness, heavy breathing, and a blackout. She was rushed to the hospital. After several tests, the doctors gave her a diagnosis she didn't expect. The diagnoses were stage 2 hypertension, obesity-related heart strain, and early signs of type 2 diabetes. She was stunned. She didn't smoke, she didn't drink, but she had neglected herself for years. As a full-time banker, wife, and mother, her life was a cycle of stress, skipping meals, eating late, barely sleeping, and never exercising. The doctor's words stayed with her. If you don't change your lifestyle now, you might not live to see your 50th birthday. That night, she sat on the floor of her bedroom and cried. Not out of fear, but because she realized something very painful. I've been taking care of everyone except myself. She decided to fight. A week later, Ifeoma joined a small community gym. There were no fancy machines, no personal trainers, just a mat, a few dumbbells, and a woman determined to save her life for good. Her first workout was brutal. Oh, I can imagine. 5 minutes on the treadmill felt like an hour. She couldn't finish 10 squats. She left the gym aching, embarrassed but not defeated. She went back to the gym again and again, over and over. Within 1 month, she stopped drinking fizzy drinks. She cut down late night carbs. She started walking to work. After 8 months, she had lost 28 kg. Wow. Her blood pressure dropped to a normal range. Her sugar levels stabilized. And for the first time in years, she could play with her youngest child without feeling faint. She became the woman her younger self needed, strong, determined, and alive. Thank God. Today at 48, Ifeoma still works out 3 times a week. She's not chasing abs or weight loss trophy. She's chasing good health, happiness, and longevity. She tells her story in health seminars and church groups, reminding women that self-care is not selfish. It's survival. Let Ifeoma's story be a reminder. Sometimes the gym isn't about looking good. Sometimes it's about staying alive. Let us quickly look into the disadvantages of not exercising. What happens when you don't move your body? The first is that you begin to gain weight and fat accumulation. Your heart becomes weak as well as your lungs. As a result of this weakness, there is an increased risk of high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, or heart disease, even depression and anxiety. Also, when you don't move your body, you experience poor circulation, cold hands, fatigue, that's tiredness, early morning tiredness, weakness. You experience cold hands and feet. You lose muscle tone and flexibility and become at risk of osteoporosis as a result of weak bones. Exercising increases your immunity. Thereby, if you don't exercise, it means frequent illness. Lack of exercise makes you age mentally, physically, even spiritually. Like I always say, exercise is medicine.